Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Threads app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You on your profile, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click on accounts. So then you come to next step here, you click here on political here content. So you come here to suggest political here content, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.